recall what we done in the previous session. In the previous session, we discussed about basic grammatical structure. In that, we learnt about alphabets, word, phrase, class, sentence, and paragraph. I hope you remember all this. In today's session, I will teach you about noun, common noun, and proper noun. You know, noun is a part of speech. So, noun will have a different types. That is common noun and proper noun, and we have many other types. Okay. Now, in this session, we will take these two types. One is common noun and proper noun. We'll understand what is meant by common noun, what is meant by proper noun with some examples. Noun. Nouns are commonly thought as a naming words and specifically as the names of people, place or thing. So these are the naming words. This is the name of the person or place or thing. That's called as a naming. Okay, this is called as the naming words. Nouns are called as naming words. A noun is the word that refers to person, thing, or abstract idea. Or an abstract idea. So therefore this is a name or is a word which refers to a person, place, thing, and abstract idea. That is what we call as a noun. A noun can tell you who or what. So in a sentence, if you put the question who or what, so that is what the noun. Even they can be name of substances, states, events, and feelings. So you can be have a feeling like sad, happy, or you take a substances or any material or any state. So this all comes under the noun. A noun is perhaps the most basic of the parts of speech. It's a very basic component. A noun perhaps the most basic component of the part of speech. Nouns are used in a sentence in two different ways. The one as a subjects performs an action, performers of action. That means when the action is taken place, who make that action or what make that action, that is a subject. Or it can be used as objects, receivers of the action. When the action is taken place, is done by somebody, it is done on something, that is a object. Okay, we'll understand in detail about these things. Nouns usually function as subjects or objects within the sentences, although they can also act as adjectives and adverbs. So noun can be a subject or object in a sentence. Okay, if you have one sentence, in that sentence a noun can be a subject or it can be a object. Apart from this, it can also be an adjective or it can be a adverb also. So therefore noun acting as a subject, object, adjective, adverb. So it depends on the position where it is in the sentence. Everything we see or able to talk about is represented by a word which names it. That word is called as a noun. So you can see the different definition here. Everything we see or able to talk about is represented by a word. So if you want to talk something, so you need to have a particular name which names it. Okay, that particular word which names it, that is called as a noun. For example, let's say book. Book is a noun. Let's say watch. That is a noun. Video. So this is a noun again. Now examples. Let us look at some examples. Persons. Any person, any people you take. So it may be a girl, boy, instructor, student, Mr. Smith, Peter, president. So these are all nouns. Okay, these are the nouns. So when you name it, it is a noun. It's a computer. So that computer, the instructor is related to the computer. So who will teach? Okay, therefore instructor. So again, it is a noun. Animals. Take all the animals like dog, cat, shark, hamster, fish, bear, flea, etc. So these are the animal names. You take any animal name. So it may be elephant, lion, tiger. So you can list out all the animal names. They are all nouns. Places. Gym, store, school, Lake Minnetonka, Minnesota, village, Europe. So these are the different place names. They all comes under the noun. Things. Things like computer, pen, apple, notebook, mailbox, bush, tree, cornflakes. So etc. There are examples of nouns. Things. Anything you take, that is a noun. Ideas, liberty, panic, attention, knowledge, logic, compassion, worship. So etc. These are ideas. They also come under the noun. Kinds of noun. Now let's understand what are the different kinds of nouns are available that we can see now. We can categorize different kind of nouns based on the word usage. Based on that particular word usage, we can categorize them into different group. There are several different types of noun. So we listed many of them here. They are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, concrete noun. So now we listed 8 types here. So which are the one? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, concrete noun. So these are the 8 types. First, let us discuss about common nouns. We learn about common nouns in detail. Common noun.